equals 7. Okay, this whole equation you times 3, so 3 times 3 9p lah, plus this, so this one over 3 over 3, it means 5 minus p 剩下 and 3 7 21 啊 okay, so the whole equation times 3, so 9p minus p equals 8p 8p plus 5 equals 21. 8p equals 21 16 because 60, so this one move over is minus p equals 2, so when p equals so that means q equals 5 minus 2, q equals 3 so okay, so value of p and q. Okay, so now the equation is 2p plus 3 over x equals 7. Okay, so first of all, you have to understand another object other than x equals 3 that maps to 7. Object means this one. So you see, other than x equals 3, so here x equals 3 and then maps to 7, so 7 is the image. Okay, so just imagine is your object. After you go through this function, then the object then got the function, then this is the image. So maps to 7, that means 7 is the image. That means they want to find the same the image but another object. So basically this is your equation. 2x plus 3 over x equals 7, because you know px plus qx, so you sub in p equals 2 p equals 2, q equals 3, so 2x plus q over 3 equals 7, because they finding another object other than x equals 3 equals that maximum 7. Okay, here you times the whole equation by x, that means 2x squared plus 3 equals 7x. Okay, then after that you just move it in, 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Okay, so this equation, this type of equation, you will usually, this is the most common equation you see in form 4 and form 5. So when you see this kind of equation, what you do is basically you just do a double bracket solving equation, and which you can also use another method, but I show you the double bracket first. Usually you can use calculator to count this. Okay, calculator, just simply on it, okay, press mode, equation number 1, okay, unknown, press left, degree, see number 2, degree, press number 2. Okay, so I ask you a, what is a? So a is basically this one, this is your a, this is your a. Okay, so a, you press 2 equals, b is your second number, this is this one. Okay, you put -7, remember I put -7 7. Hey shit. C, which is your last number, is 3. Then press equals. So see, okay, usually that means they say another object that maps x equals 3, that maps to x equals to 7 so from this equation I come out to this equation map x to 7. So now my x, there's 2 answers, that means there's another object that maps to 7 which is, first one is number 3, second one is 0.5. So here I can write 2x minus okay, so that means x equals 1 over 2, x equals 3. So the answer, this is 3. Okay, now I'll show you another method. You will learn okay, this one you will learn in chapter 2 and chapter 3 lah. Okay, I'll show you another method. Okay, so based on this same equation okay, so 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Okay, now let me, okay, so I put this as my a, This is my B and this is my C. So A is this one, B is this one, including a negative, and C is the 3. Okay, so to find X, you want to find that X usually you can do this method. I don't know what you call this method, but yeah, you learn in chapter 2 and chapter 3 lah. Okay, basically this formula is negative B plus minus square root 4AC over 2A. So you just sub inside. Okay, what's my B? My B is negative 7, so basically negative 7 plus minus square root 4 square root B square minus 4AC. Okay, so what's my B square? Basically is negative 7 square, but when you square it, the negative 不见了嘛, so because 49 lah, 7 ma, minus 4. What's my A? Is 2, because you don't want you calculate the X, that's why the X you ignore it lah. And usually is the first one is X square, second one is X, and the third one is no X, and then your C is 3. Okay, over 2A. What's my A? 2. So once you calculate, okay, so basically this is 7 plus minus 49 minus 4 times 2, 8, 8 324. Okay, 49 minus 24 basically is 49 minus 24 is 25, so square root 25. Okay, over 2, which is 4, basically is 7 plus minus 5 over 4. Okay, so basically this is the whole equation which you will learn in chapter 2 and chapter 3. I also don't know why I got this, but this how to count X lah, because you know count X and an object that map that other than X equals 3, because now there is 2 answers, 2 ways for you to map X for the image to be 7. So one is 3, another one we use this method, calculate is half, so we use this method. Okay, so then because there's plus minus, that's why you got 2 answer. Okay, so 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 4 is 3 lah, so that's why X equals 3 ma, that's why find out 7 ma. So this is your first answer. Second answer, you minus 7 minus 5 equals 2 over 4 equals 1 over 2, which is 0.5. This is how you get the answer. Okay.